Welcome back to Teshkid FX for another HARMONYONE price prediction update, and in this video I'll be giving you the latest developments that have been happening here on the HARMONYONE chart, and also give you my next price targets for HARMONYONE, which has also continued to obey the 8-12 structures. And before I get further into the technical analysis, first give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership, and allow me to continue with the video here on the daily chart by first giving you a quick recap of what has been happening, and also give you the long-term scenarios that I'm expecting to play out, where you can see that HARMONYONE, from these low prices that we had been trading within, we saw a very nice bounce to the upside, making it to an all-time high at around the $0.39 mark in what I'm terming as the formation of that first wave to the upside. And after seeing the all-time high, we started the bear market, where we had been seeing lower prices in this ABC corrective structure, which has now given us a low at around the $0.009 mark in what I'm terming as the formation of that second wave to the lower side. And after seeing the low for the second wave, whatever we expect next is a bounce to the upside in the formation of a larger 8-12 count 3. And here on the daily chart, you can see that I have a target area to the upside in the formation of this wave 3 at the fib level 1.618, and that perfectly lies at around the $0.61746 mark. That is the minimum that I'm expecting HARMONYONE to do on the long-term scenarios. And because of the impulsive nature in the formation of that wave 3, I'm also expecting to see a 5-wave structure in formation, having the wave 5 fully maximizing our target areas to the upside in the formation of that wave 5. And jumping to the 1-hour chart to give you the long-term scenarios that I'm expecting to play out, and also my next price targets here for HARMONYONE, you can see that after making our lower low at around the $0.009 mark, we started a very nice bounce to the upside in a move that has been obeying the 8-12 structures. And by first giving you a measure from this lower low to the high that we have made here on the charts, you can see that the market is up by 18.57%, which is a very nice bounce to the upside, which has also been obeying the 8-12 structures, having that as the first wave to the upside. Then we have retraced in the formation of this wave 2, and I believe whatever we are seeing at the moment is the bounce to the upside in the formation of that wave 3 before we can expect a retracement to the lower side in the formation of that wave 4, then continue pushing even higher in the formation of this wave 5 to complete an even larger 8-12 count 1 to the upside, and sketching out my minimum target areas to the upside in the formation of this wave 3 using a trend-based Fibonacci by connecting it from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave. That gives me a minimum target area to the upside in the formation of that wave 3 at the fib level 1.618, and that is at around the $0.03193 mark, and that is the minimum that I'm expecting that wave 3 to the upside to do before we can see a retracement in the formation of this wave 4 and then push even higher in the formation of that wave 5. And for that wave 3 to play out, we need to manage to break above the 20-day MA for us to have the support that we need for us to continue pushing even higher. And here on the 1-hour chart, you can see that we have managed to break above the 20-day MA, meaning we have the support that we need for us to continue pushing even higher. And given the 20-day MA, the next key area of resistance that I'm watching here on the HARMONYONE chart is at around the $0.03087 mark. That is my next target area that I'm expecting HARMONYONE to manage to break above, which is acting as resistance for us to fully maximize our target areas at around the $0.03228 mark in the formation of this wave 3. So a break above this line, which is right here, which is acting as resistance, I'll be expecting to see a retest of that key area of resistance. And once that plays out, then we can continue pushing even higher, fully maximize our target area in the formation of that wave 3, and even possibly continue breaking through other areas on the Fibonacci's before we can see the high for that wave 3. And once the high for that wave 3 is in, then we can expect a wave 4 and then continue pushing even higher in the formation of that wave 5. And once the wave 5 is in, then we can name this 5-wave structure to the upside as a larger 8-12 count 1, and then from there we can expect a bit of a corrective structure in the formation of a larger 8-12 count 2. And once the formation of this larger 8-12 count 2 is in, then we can expect another massive bounce to the upside in the formation of a larger 8-12 count 3. So that is what I'm expecting on the short-term scenarios and also on the long-term scenarios. And my next price target is at around the $0.0 $0.03087 mark, which will be acting as resistance, and a break above that key area of resistance and also a successful retest of that key area of resistance could trigger even higher prices to fully maximize our target areas to the upside in the formation of that wave 3, and also manage to break above other areas on the Fibonacci's, and also taking a look at the indicators to see what movements will be supported on the RSI. We are trading at around the 61 mark, meaning we have massive room for us to fully support the formation of that wave 3. And also taking a look at the MACD, we have been able to print a bullish cross fully supporting the formation of that wave 3. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I'll be keeping you updated.